Ukrainian forces took control of more than half of the village of Klishchiivka, located south of Bakhmut. Deputy Commander of the 3rd Assault Brigade, Maxim Zorin, told Radio Free Europe on September 8th. There is still a small part of the village, maybe a street and a half, which the enemy is trying to partially control, but they are not succeeding. Zorin commented on the situation in the embattled Donetsk Oblast settlement. We have created such conditions in this direction that Russian forces are unable to properly use their equipment. According to the officer, Ukrainian forces have destroyed almost all Russian equipment in this sector, including tanks and infantry fighting vehicles. Those Russian vehicles that remain are not used or utilized only for transport or logistical purposes, he added. However, Zorin stressed that airstrikes remain a serious problem for Ukrainian troops, including drones, aircraft, and guided aerial bombs. Electronic warfare systems also pose challenges to Ukraine's defenders. In close combat, Russian troops are unable to hold out and forced to retreat, the officer said. The deputy commander also noted that Russian forces suffer heavy losses on a daily basis along the line of the villages of Klishchiivka, Andriivka, and Kurdyumivka, forcing them to withdraw from their positions. At the same time, Russian troops are attempting to create new footholds. As a result of the fighting, all 3 villages have been completely destroyed in recent months, Zorin revealed. The area around Bakhmut is one of the main directions of Ukraine's ongoing counteroffensive. Kiev has reported moderate but steady advances along the flanks of the occupied city. Deputy Defense Minister Hanna Maliar reported on September 4th that Ukraine has made gains near Klishchiivka, while Russian forces carried out unsuccessful attempts to take back lost positions near the said village, as well as at Kurdyumivka and Ozaryanivka in an attempt to restrain the advance of Ukrainian troops toward Bakhmut. Ukrainian forces continue offensive operations in the Melitopol direction, making gains south of the village of Robotyny, the General Staff of Ukraine's armed forces reported. In turn, Russian troops launched unsuccessful attacks near Novoy-Horivka in Luhansk Oblast and in the Avdiivka direction in Donetsk Oblast, the report said. Ukrainian defenders continue to repel Russian advances in the Marinka direction, holding off over 10 attacks over the past day, according to the General Staff. The village of Robotyny was confirmed as liberated by Ukraine on August 28th. Ukrainian troops have since pushed further south from the village, facing heavy Russian defenses. As the U.S. intelligence pointed out, Ukraine has managed to pierce through the first line of Russian defenses, which was heavily fortified by mines near Robotyny, and its troops are already attacking the second line with notable success. And let's see the terrain. Direct hit on Russian trench system. Robotyny, in a fusion of tactics, a Ukrainian FPV drone drops a grenade into an abandoned Russian T-80BV, causing a catastrophic cook-off. Russian Foreign Ministry accused Armenian authorities of making a series of unfriendly steps. The Armenian leadership has taken a series of unfriendly steps in recent days, including launching the process of ratification of the Rome Statute of the ICC, International Criminal Court, which issued Putin's arrest warrant. A trip to Kiev by the wife of Prime Minister A.V. Hakobian to deliver humanitarian aid, and holding military exercises on Armenian territory with U.S. participation. Armenian Ambassador Vagarshak Harutyunyan was summoned to the Russian Foreign Ministry, given a strict warning and a note of protest. Ruslan Stefanchuk, chairman of the Parliament of Ukraine, delivered a remarkable speech to representatives of the G7 countries today. It would be desirable if this speech could also be heard elsewhere.
Не час вагатися і зволікати. Тому що нерішучість, і ми вже це всі бачили, сприймається ворогом як слабкість. І ця нерішучість годує його самовпевненість, зухвалість і жорстокість. Україна, яка здійснює в цей час контрнаступ, сьогодні як ніколи потребує штурмових літаків F-16, швидке і якісне навчання пілотів, системи протиповітряної оборони, такі як Петріот, зокрема далекобійну і високоточну зброю, ракети і снаряди, сучасні танки і броньовані машини. Усе це дозволяє пришвидшити контрнаступ, звільнити усі наші території та завершити цю війну. Більшість поставок озброєнь Україні та забезпечення відповідного фінансування потребують схвалення на рівні парламентів. Тому прошу вас, шановні колеги, спікери і президенти парламентів, зробити свій внесок у нашу спільну справу і оперативно підтримати відповідні рішення ваших урядів. Також має бути підсилена і санкційна політика. Вона повинна стати ефективним інструментом стримування агресора і пришвидшення перемоги. Тому закликаю, шановні колеги, вас і очолювані вами парламенти відіграти ключову роль у політичному погодженні санкційного тиску на агресора і затвердженні додаткових санкцій. Кожне підприємство, яке робить ракети, кожен пропагандист, який розпалює ворожнечу, кожен так званий політик, хто роздмухує війну, всі вони мають відчути на собі тягар санкційного тиску.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.